Today I'm talking all about black rice water, why it works, and how I use it. So if you're interested, keep watching. Before we dive in, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. It gives me a sense of what videos to create, and it really helps me with the algorithm. Okay, let's dive in. Let's talk about why black rice water works. Black rice water contains flavonoids, which is the purplish color you see when you soak your black rice. These flavonoids promote hair growth, help with follicle regeneration, and activate the anagen phase, which is the growing stage of the hair growth cycle. Black rice water is also rich in antioxidants, protein, and vitamin E, which all promote hair growth and contribute to the overall health of your hair. Black rice water makes your hair feel softer, more elastic, and less brittle. Let's talk about how I prepare my black rice water. Like my normal rice water routine, I prepare my black rice water using the fermenting method. I pour 1/4 of a cup of black rice into a bowl. I rinse the black rice to get rid of all the impurities. I add 2 cups of water. Then I transfer the black rice into a mason jar. Then I add 1/8 a cup of fenugreek into my mason jar because fenugreek is a super ingredient for hair health and growth. After I do all of this, I'll let it sit for 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is what my black rice water looks like. I strain the black rice water and transfer my black rice water into spray bottles. I also add a little bit of peppermint oil to help stimulate my follicles when I spray this black rice water onto my scalp. I currently have a bunch of other liquids in some of my bigger spray bottles, so I'm just dividing the remainder of this rice water into a few other spray bottles, which I'll use over the course of 10 days. Then I apply the black rice water to my hair. As mentioned in my last video, I like using the LCO method to keep my hair moisturized. So I use my black rice water as the liquid. I apply my As I Am leave-in conditioner as my cream, and then my Camille Rose almond twist and butter as my oil/sealant. Then I twist my hair. One more time, spray my hair with black rice water, detangle a little bit, add my leave-in conditioner, add my butter, then twist it up. I like black rice water a little bit more than regular rice water because it doesn't have a smell and I feel like my hair is a little bit more moisturized when using this concoction. Usually I mist my hair and scalp with this black rice water daily. This recipe lasts about 10 days and I store it in the refrigerator to prevent it from going rancid. You can freeze it if you want to preserve it longer. That's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces!